Sunday, on Sunday Night Lyme, Shanika Ricketts shines again in triple jump win in Rome. Then watch Frog. When you hear say the martial arts trainer them urge we Jamaicans, you know, we take our safety in our own hands. I'm tired. So, physiotherapy now available at Children's Clinic in Negril. Isn't this something to talk about? So after all of that energy day, look how them want to start off the hurricane season festive. Category 3, 4, and 5, no love. All these stories and more on Expressions JA YouTube channel this Sunday, 8 p.m. See you there.